Check if multiple strings exists in list using Python. How can I test if multiple strings exist in another list? Below is a code example that I started with but doesn't work properly. It should return true if even part of the string is found in the list. I marked in the comments what the result should return. As you can see, they all fail though. Would it be better to convert the second list to a single string and then just test if strings in list exist in it?
You have to check if all of the strings in the first list is contained by any string in the second list.
We want to loop through the elements in evalu and check if this element is in any of the strings in value. But we want to do all of that inside all, as we want to check that all elements in evalu have a match. Also, if we do the test this way, an empty evalu will return true anyway, so we don't need to tell Python to explicitly do this. Note that, since you have defined all_exist as a function, it should really return a value, not print the result, so I have changed that for you. And some testing shows it works.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.